Hello, we got a K11 Micra here, 2001. I bought it recently and it was sluggish going up hills and lacked power. And you're not going to believe this, the back of the exhaust someone has wedged. That looks like a load of hair. Look at this. There's hair. I've just pulled all this hair out. Look, it's coming out the exhaust. What's that all about? Look. Oh! This is crazy. It's pouring out, look. Have you ever seen this in your life? I haven't. It's still coming out, look. Crazy. Something tells me the baffle's gone in the exhaust and someone's wedged all this in the exhaust. It's gone everywhere. Crazy. A load more just come out.
Yeah, that's me jump. This is an animal.
We thought it might be a bird.
Might be a nest.
It's a bit scary. Look. Don't know how much they've wedged in there, but
Wedge that in there though.
it's crazy. So this has obviously been affecting.
Might be a nest.
Or a mouse. Maybe a mouse has been putting it in there.
Might be a nest.
Is there any more coming out?
Might be a nest.
Mental.
Fell over.